guys, welcome to my 9-month lock journey. And in today's video we're gonna touch up on what the changes are, what's going on, what looks different, and what's okay. So I'm on a weight loss journey and I've been doing different exercises to get this weight off. This week I've been doing swimming. How should I put this? Swimming and dreads equals very dry. So I didn't swim today because I have a date with the hubby in 2.5 hours and he wants me to be ready in 2 hours and get this hair somewhere. So let me show you. So this is 9 months. Is it me or is it shorter? I feel like my hair is shorter, but it could be me. But it's more defined, so I'm having a lot of I hope it doesn't swell any more than this. I can't take any more swelling. I just can't. This is it for me. This is the most swelling I can do. So this is what we're looking at now. The frizz is not going anywhere. It's just gonna be here. And I don't know if you've watched my previous videos. I palm roll the front and I interlock the back. I do my hair twice a month on the front and the back once a month. So this is what we're looking like. I'm just gonna do a touch up right here so I don't look crazy, because my husband don't like when my hair look crazy. But yeah, this is what I'm looking like. I went swimming, so when I finish swimming I wash the bleach out of my hair. I do put oils, but my hair sucks up oil like it's water. And I'm gonna give it a fresh spray. So I have water in a bottle. I put some olive oil in it, shake it up, mist my hair with it. And I have oils in a bottle that I oil my scalp with. So this is what we're looking at month 9. I have baby locks now. Locked. Like, not no, this is locked, like locked. And I'm loving it. I just can't stand the frizz, but there's nothing I could do about it. But this is what we're looking like, and I'm gonna refresh these real quick. And yeah, the freedom is still there. I can just get up, spray my hair, go to the gym. Easy breezy. I can just twist the front and not touch the back for months if I want to. No one would know. Who would know? No one would know. And I love it. So, because that's what's gonna happen today. I'm just gonna touch up like right here, these 3 rows here, and these 3 here, and call it George. That's it. We going on this date. Fresh to death. Okay? But not much changed. I think the length is still the same. The only difference is I'm having swelling. Like look at this one. Like, what's going on over here compared to, I don't know. But the swelling is coming, and I wish the swelling would stop like right here. This is as much swelling as I can handle. If it swell any more than this, I'm just gonna cry. But yeah, so this is what we're looking like for month 9. Nothing has changed, but my locks are more defined. The swelling is a little more, but I can see that my hair is locked, like literally locked. So I'm loving it. It's defining. I think I'm going into the defining stage where it really looks like a lock. So I'm loving that. I still have the braided one somewhere in the front. I was checking it to see if the braid pattern left, but it was a no. I just gotta find it. God, I think it might be in here somewhere, so I can't find it right now. But the braid pattern didn't go anywhere. The braid pattern is still very much there. And if I didn't take these braids out, I would have been mad as hell. I probably would have took off the whole hair. But everything is good and still look beautiful. It's still fluffy, light, very light, and I'm loving it. So I'll catch you in month 10 next month to give you an update on how this this hair is going. So moisture, wear. Catch you in the next video. Bye.